KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Don't mind the water right here, so I come outside and see bird on my car, so I just had to wash it off real quick. I didn't get to dry it off because I'm in a rush. It will dry, don't mind it, rain or fall. But this is just gonna be like a quarantine day in my life. I'm about to go pick up my mom. She lives 30 minutes away from me. I'm gonna be taking her downtown to do some very important business we cannot do online. It has to be at the place. So yeah, that's why we're outside.
Don't come first.
It's actually my first time seeing my mom in almost 2 months, and we live 30 minutes away because
we've been quarantining.
Yeah, so as you can see, I have my mask. I have 2 masks. I always have 2 masks, especially this one that everybody trying to get. Thanks to my boo, the only one that he got from his job, he gave to me. How sweet. I don't know if now they can get it, but when all of this first started, it was hard to get this one. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking you guys on this journey with me, so stay tuned. BRB. Minutes later, and I am in Dora. Which one am I there? Sun hot. Imagine, you know. I sound weird because I have the mask on, you know, just try to protect them, but long sleeve in a sun. My bro and my cuz. Your birthday is this month, bro. What are you gonna do for your birthday?
Stay in the house again.
I'll probably come back with a cake, I guess.
Quarantine birthday.
Yeah. I wanna say quarantine birthday. Yeah. The bag them heavy. The car dirty, me know, cause it park up. I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's the heavy one.
Yes?
Yeah, so 200 probably have to go carry that one. Let me see if I'm not strong enough. No, no, that's a heavy. Where there? Oh yes, that's the heavy one. You got it?
Yes.
I know we're palming now. I say exercise lady. Okay then. You like my YouTube shirt? Everybody's supposed to see this shirt. It's like in most of my videos. I have like 3 of them. I'm here waiting for my mom to come out. Run back inside. About to head though to downtown, but we make sure we get the right address, cause we don't want to last. Can't afford for last on a day like this. No. Finally made it. Downtown Miami. Guys, honestly, it is so hard to vlog because you have to have gloves, you have to be extra careful where you touch. So I don't want to be touching stuff and then touching my camera. So it's really hard. But yeah, let's go across the street. Yeah, here they look good. Let out. I don't know where you take it out for. I want woman, this I want man.
Oh man, that's man.
Oh. Yes, ma'am. Put on your gloves to touch my camera. Yeah, be careful. Me, I be careful too.
Alright, no problem. I don't have a problem wearing gloves.
So the next one. But when me get all of my gloves, I 2 pair alone, me have left in 1 pair.
I have another pair in my bag.
Oh, what time now?
I'm going to make a supermarket. I'm going to back here.
Oh, that's the party so it keeps here?
Yes.
Oh, my Google, I wish we go back home to, cause at first me I come at them woods, them parts of, what them say, parts of the woods? I know that answer.
What's that?
People not say you're coming off the neck of the woods.
I wish that's a woods so you can camp in our beer and animal there.
Yes, it's
Some
true.
of woods in there, yes, so some of them know what you're talking
You
about.
never hear somebody say, "What are you doing at the neck of this woods?"
No.
Lady, stop make me feel like me fool.
Okay.
2, which way you live again? Where 2 number them are you for, so you address and remember the rest. Alright. That's it. That's the 40 words.
What's the other word? My word.
Oh, you do flip over the gloves? Yo, that lady is serious, you know, lady take out the gloves and flip it.
Me don't flip it.
How you do?
Me realize, so me talk to you and put on the gloves, right?
Oh, come here, say, me have more. Alright, so you live 20 minutes away from here.
Yeah, my ear really look cute for true. My long ear.
Turn your head back, let me see it.
Back of my head.
Yeah. No, your head back. The back of my head back, no, you see a thing. You need to go natural, boo. You need to go natural. Natural aware now.
Some of you are natural.
You're not naturally halfway. You need to go 100%.
I must about 4 or 5 months.
But think it has a 4 or 5 years. 4 or 5 months you're transitioning. You're not 100% natural. Yeah, gonna make my big chop when you're ready.
Big chat me.
Yeah. Big chop you know your ear.
No, you chat me at all.
Oh. Alright. Be back. You feel like the video me know when tell me I'm very miserable? No, I mean like, oh, you had to open up my face with the camera. Turn it now. KK Squad! So, I'm going in at the supermarket. What a lady love price choice. Me a drive and she spot the price choice. My mother, she's a real Jamaican. Like, people would say I should go in there and shop for her, but she don't want that. She like to be independent and do that on her own, because she know what she want and she gonna get what she want. She have on 3 masks, 3 masks, because you know the little surgical one them thin, and I have this one, but I want to get one of this one for her. I gotta say I can figure out how I can get one of this or 2 of this for her. Bus them a pass through. It's a nice day out. Sun in and out, but it's a nice day. Can't complain. My friend just texted me. She says, "Same girl, same. The hair place is open by you. I'm still planning my guest appearance on your channel." Yo, I love my friends. But through a quarantine time, we can't really do any videos. But stay tuned for that, because you know, we're gonna be lit.
Yeah, those stop at Dennis.
Oh, I would never stop at Dennis.
Or Taco Bell.
One time from I come to America, me at Taco Bell and I had diarrhea. Never again.
Really?
Yes. Taco Bell blew up your bottom. Sorry.
No, you can't do for people them place, no?
Sorry.
For social media. Alright. On this driver.
Now make me pass 38th Street.
Don't stop at all. They must have a chicken in the back of the car.
Oh, yeah, right, yeah.
It has a turn such. You have to tell me them something before.
500 feet.
Turn right onto Northeast 37th Street.
Woman, I can't go with
Yeah.
her boats. She not easy. I pay about
Yo, Siri, come on.
Onto Northeast.
Oh, sir. So we carry right around a bush and come round back on the road.
Right?
Never drive them the place for yet. Quarantine time.
I mean, they can walk
Walk.
on the beach.
Yes, but now crowded situation. You know.
Looking at everybody here. Mask.
That's the new norm. My face hot.
I mean, if it, I say when I reach home, I am taking a shower from head to toe. I wash my hair, I wash everything.
Trust me.
But the light turn right onto 36th Street.
That's what she said. I think she said turn there.
Mommy, stop it. Wait.
First time we don't want to stop and shop.
Right?
No shopping can go on. One Target over there, sir. And Marshalls.
Oh, I miss Target. Oh, that's a nice car.
Wow.
Wow.
I love the color.
Say bye to the vlog.
Okay, thank you guys for being with us through the day. God bless you and have a wonderful day.
Alright, peace.
Peace out.
So I'm finally back home. It has been a long day, so I'm just gonna close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I look sweaty and all, but just ignore that. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.